And it is Wishables Wednesday, so I'm actually going to meet the boys at Hollywood Studios. They're already there because it is villains. So if anyone watched our last video, I did say it was going to be Halloween themed, so it is villains this time. Let's go. Here we go. We are at Hollywood Studios for a rainy day Wishables hunt. The boys are inside already. I am ready to go. Let's go find those villains. Here we go. All right, here they are in Carthay Circle. The villains Wishables. All right, so we're gonna open them outside the old Villains in Vogue store. Parker, look what Dada has. Wishables. Whoa. Let me see, Fing. Oh, wow. You wanna open it? Open? Yes, hold on. Should I give you another Wishable? Should I give you another Wishable? What about another Wishable? Wow! We could open it, and then what about this guy? It's a horsey. Nay! Nay! Good job! What does the horsey say? Nay! Ooh, clippity clappity clap. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's open him. Here's the Headless Horseman. He's so cute. What does the horsey say? Yay! Nay! Come on, you want to open them? Come sit. All right, sit down. Ready? You feel it first. What do we think this one's gonna be? I think it's gonna be Hades. Let's see, ready? 1, 2, 3. What is it? Reach inside. What is it? What is it? Pull it out. Oh, it's Maleficent.
Wow.
Wow. Say ha ha ha.
So wait, just
Ready? Let's open. What do you think it is? What is it, Parker? What is it? Pull it out! Pull it out! Whoa! Cruella! She gets all the puppies. It says woof 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 woof. Here you go. Oh. You ready?
So this is like a
Okay,
thing.
so
The pin.
I think this is gonna be Scar the lion. Roar! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who is it? Can you take it out? Who is it? Roar! It's a lion. That's Scar. You put him next to you? Good job. Uh-oh, there's the other one. Okay, we have one more.
I think that this is Hades, but it could be Cruella. Here we go.
I think it's Cruella. I think we're gonna have a double.
Go.
Pull it out. What is it? Get it. Get it. Yay! We did it. 4 for 4. And that is the one that is advertised, which means that we don't have the variant, which is the red one. Whoa! Just in time for the 50th celebration. My favorite Wishable. Yes. And that is where they're located. The only place at Hollywood Studios. You want to see the baby? Say cheese! There you go. Cheese! We did it, no doubles! Oh, what a director. All right, we're home, so let's take a closer look. Wow, Wishables! So this is the villain series, as you could see over here. I'm gonna call it the Boo to You series, but it's the villain series. In it, you have Hades, you have Cruella de Scar, and Maleficent. And then the other variant is Hades in red. And then the open end is the Headless Horseman, which is why it reminds me of Boo to You, which is my favorite parade. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at them all. And here they are. So we have Scar over here, very easy to find inside of the bag. Over here you have Maleficent, the only one that has foam in the staff and the 2 ears, but she is adorable actually. Over here we have Hades, who is Parker's favorite. He's the one that comes in variant form as well with his little cloak. We got the blue one. Then you have Cruella, who looks so angry. She probably looks the most villainous out of all of them with her nice fuzzy cloak. So she's the biggest out of all of them if you're feeling the bags. And then last but not least, the Headless Horseman, who is probably my favorite Wishable that they've had yet. I absolutely love this, and I was so surprised that this was the variant, but kind of made sense because he would have been really easy to feel in the bags. So there's all of the villains. Of course, we'll probably try for the variant of Hades at a future date. However, we wanted to get them all, and the good news is we got 0 doubles. So let's go ahead and let's add them to the ball pit. All right, and there is our Wishable ball pit. I think we now officially may have 150 or more Wishables. So let's go ahead and let's add in some villains. Wishable time. See you next month. Dun 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 dun. All right, it is time to guess what October's Wishables will be. Chris, what do you think next month's Wishables will be? I just want to put this out there though. You were wrong. They were not Moana. I was right. They were Halloween themed for September. What do you think October is going to be?
The 50th.
Ah, that was my answer. I think they're going to be old school Walt Disney World collections. Maybe a Mr. Toad, maybe a Sky Bucket, kind of like they did for Disneyland. We'll see. Wishables!
Lot more family.